Okay, in this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add a photo gallery to your web pages. So click on Manage Website, click on Edit Pages, and then you can select what page you'd like to add your photo gallery to. In this case, I'm going to choose Home. And I decided I want to put my photo gallery in this section here, in this page area. So I'm going to go to Add Page, Photo Gallery, and I'll be able to drag and drop any one of these to that area. So I'm going to drag, drop it exactly where I want it. And in order to have the images in this section, you have to add them manually. So you'd have to click on Add Images and then Upload, Browse, and then bring in your pictures. Once you bring in your pictures, then they will show up on the list the way I have them here. Then you can select to change the display options. Now notice in the display options, as soon as you drag and drop, it doesn't matter which one you dragged and dropped. If you thought it was the wrong one, you'll have a drop down menu here giving you the availability to change it. And you can change the width, the height, what the delay is, for example, if it's a slideshow, and whether or not you want to display any kind of description. In this case, I'm going to put no. I'm going to hit Save Changes. As soon as I save the changes, I can click on Save. Now notice it has a white background. You don't have to settle for a white background if you don't want to. In this case, I don't want to, so I'm going to change that before we view it as if it were live, or we're going to view it live. So I'll go back to Properties, and then go to Background, and I'm going to select here on the color and select Transparent, which would make it the identical color that my background is. This I recommend. So click Save, publish the website, and then View Live Site. And here's my slideshow. Once I press play, it automatically begins to slide. Now you have the availability to put a timer on that slide also. So if you wanted to slide every 5 seconds, every 10 seconds, it's totally up to you. You can pause it. We're going to go back. I'm going to change from the slideshow to a single image. We're going to save changes. Save changes here, and publish. View live site. These changes are instantly. That's what I like about this. So here you go. One image at a time. You can go back and forth on it. Exit out of here, go back and edit the photo gallery now, and we're going to choose a new display option, and let's select the grid. Now if you notice the grid now gives you additional options, and you can have the pictures pop up, or they can pop up in an animated light box form. So I'll choose the animated, save changes, and then I'll publish. It's going to ask me to save and publish. I'll click Save and Publish. That was pretty quick. View live site. And there it is. I have a grid of 4 and I can click next and next. But now if I wanted to view the picture, I can have it pop up in an animated format. When it's animated, that's why these arrows show up in order to go to the next picture. And I brought in several sizes just to give you an example. And that's why it's animated. In order to exit this, you can press X or just click on this black area and it will bring you back. We're going to change now to another photo gallery display option. From the grid, we're going to go to Film Strip 2. Film Strip number 2 has also animated Livebox and pop-up. In this case, I'm going to select pop-up. I'm going to save these changes. I'm going to hit publish. That's going to ask me to save and publish, which I will. And we're going to view the live site, which was very quick. And here we go. It's got 19 images. Here's one of 3. And that's this is your film strip number 2. If I click on this, it'll pop up. Let's see if I get a big one. Here it is. And there you go. So in this case, there are no arrows to the left or to the right. There's no animation. This is straight pop-up. You can click X and get out, or just select the background. Immediately it'll take you out. Let's check out the next photo gallery strip number 1. And if you notice, as soon as I click strip number 1, there's no lightbox effect or what have you. So let's see what this looks like here. Save changes, click on publish, save and publish. I'm going to view the live site. And what I have now is I have a pop-up. It's not a pop-up, it's just, this is the format of it. It doesn't pop up again. It just pops up in this area right here. So if I click, I'm able to view, I'm able to scroll, and regardless of how many images, I have a perfect view, or my visitors do. So that's how you add a photo gallery to your web page. I hope this video tutorial was helpful. If you need additional help in making any changes to your website, feel free to click on the live chat support or call in for customer support. They'll be glad to walk you through every single time. Thank you, and stay tuned to the next tutorial.